Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a dash border to the image in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Google Docs app. Then go to the insert menu. Then go to the drawing and click new. Then go to the image insert menu. Go to the upload and click browse. Now I am select a picture and then press open. Wait some moment. Our picture are uploaded and resize the picture. Then go to the shape menu. Then click shape and insert a rectangle. Then go to the action menu and go to the order drop down menu, then press send to back. Then go to the border white. Now I am select 8px. Change the border color. I am select a color. Then go to the dash border. Then go click dash border. Then save and close. Now here you can see add a dash border to the line image in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.